Kissing scene.
Love scene.
Ayan, diretso na kasi 10 minutes lang eh.
And Ma'am Charo, if ever na binigay talaga yung kissing scene, go for it kayo. Go kayo.
If ever?
Yes po.
Depende sa context.
Okay.
Oo, yung kissing scene. Kailangan nasa konteksto ng kwento.
Tama.
Pero meron po dito.
Secret.
Kasi parang yun ang inaabangan ng mga fans and supporters. Oo.
Kasi it's romance.
Gusto mo ba?
Yes po, Ma'am Charo. Gusto niyo po ba ni Dong?
Only we know.
Talagang pa-surprise.
Pa-surprise.
Pero
Pagkatapos siguro mag-usap tayo ulit. Pag napanood niyo na.
Napanood na ni Natalie, di ba? Kinuwento na nga. Charot.
Umirma kami.
Pirma kami
May spoiler.
Pero before this movie, ano yung impression nyo muna sa isa't isa? And then during the filming, nagbago ba yung tingin niya sa isa't isa?
Ako, ang impression ko sa kanya is being a very good actor. Kasi hindi ko naman siya nakasama ever, di ba? So, nasa ABS ako, nasa GMA siya. Yeah, but I saw him grow and mature as an actor. Tapos mas nakilala ko siya, yung competence niya, yung galing niya as an actor when he appeared in several Star Cinema movies.
Yes.
Until one day, I met up with him in my office to pitch a story concept. Pero hindi natuloy yun. And then the next time I met him was when this project was pitched to both of us.
Okay. Ikaw daw. Yung impression mo before. Kasi siyempre pag sinabing Charo Santos, parang...
Yung impression ko sa kanya ay Charo Santos. Siya talaga yung... she's an industry leader. The woman behind the success of a great media company, and also the woman behind the success of even the talents, great talents and great actors. So, inamin ko rin naman sa kanya na may konting takot na umpisa kasi parang syempre, sabi ko, it was like walking into the audition of my life na parang kailangan, sana pumasa sa kanya yung kung ano yung ibibigay ko dito sa role na to at character na to. But again, ito ay mga initial na impression. Lahat naman tayo may ganun. Pero to my surprise, and ito, I was pleasantly surprised kasi hindi niya pinayagang mangyari yung ganung klaseng
ma-intimidate
para ma-intimidate or may ganung klaseng fear kasi she really allowed me to be myself and to explore the role na walang hesitation. So talagang in-encourage niya ako. I always say that her presence is very calming and compelling. Pero never to the point na ituturuan sa'yo kung paano gagawin ito. Walang ganun. Kaya talagang nagawa ko yung kailangan kong gawin. And for that, I'm very, very grateful.
So anong